All right, here we go. Dundas Square, subway station. Let's go VIP. Oh, tap again. Tap twice to get in. Oh, look who I found here. Brad, you're in FilmMIssion.
Yes, man.
Got Toronto Brad, Hannah.
Toronto Brad, guys.
Everybody's here. Who else is here, guys? We're having some fine. Oh, there's Omari here. How you doing, Omari? Found you here. You're on the FilmMIssion. There's a lot of security here. Is this what's going on here?
Security. I think it's rush hour.
Is it?
Mall closing rush hour.
There we are. Here we go.
Sit here yelling for you guys. I look like a screaming idiot.
Look, we got Scott here.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land. Through Canada's love, in our sun's coming, with flowing heart, we see thee rise, the true north, strong and free. Right on, fuck you know!
For real, man.
Right, far and wide, oh Canada, we stand unformed. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh,
Next station
Canada, we
College.
stand
College
on
Station.
guard for thee. God bless Canada. Woo!
All right. Thank you.
Fuck Trudeau! Right on, fuck Trudeau! You know, I grew up in a time where we stood for the national anthem.
Why does it smell so bad in this?
That's Canadian! Bring that kind of shit back.
College Station.
Let's make Canada Canadian again. What is Canadian? We're all Canadian.
Before my time, I never had to stand up in the theater. I never had that. When I was in Thailand, they had to stand up. In Thailand, they have to stand up
Every
there.
morning in school, national anthem and the Lord's Prayer.
When I was in my very young grades, I had to
Bring it back.
Yeah, that was
Please
like.
stand clear of the doors.
Trudeau for treason. Put him in jail.
Trudeau
Put him
for
in
a
jail.
Diddy party, man. I'll send Trudeau to a Diddy party. That's what I like to do, boy. You know he'd like that.
Oh, you like that one?
I know he'd like that.
Hey,
boy. I know he'd like that.
who's been to a Diddy party?
Next station
Trudeau would like a Diddy party.
Rose.
That's right.
We're leaving
Well, we all know he was on
College
that
Station.
island.
Next station is Wesley on the Toronto
Pedophiles running the
line
show.
1 northbound.
Support Trudeau. I don't even want to go there. I got some tampons for all you
Just on line 1, you can get a good
Trudeau would get his panties pulled down fast.
from local service bypass at Subway Station is now clear. Regular service as we do. Thank you.
Seems to be a bit of a delay here.
Arrival. Wellesley. Wellesley Station. Doors will open on the right.
Right. Yeah. I used
Wait,
to. They used
they
to.
stopped what?
They used to have to stand
Really?
up.
Sorry.
I used to
I don't
have
want to ask
stand
your
up.
age, but what
Back
year
in the
was it?
day, you had to stand up. They used to have to.
I had it all in school. I graduated high school in '85.
My early grades.
Grade school.
All right.
79.
How's everybody? It smells really bad over there on that side.
For me, it's
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. It
yeah, 80s,
smells
early
like,
80s.
it smells like a Diddy party. I don't know if the mic is working or not. Testing 1, 2. I don't know.
It smells good over here. It smells good on this side of the train.
That's because I don't know, but that side is. I have to change sides. Bloor and Young next.
Fuck Trudeau to Bloor.
Let's get out of this. I think I'm getting off of this
I gotta go.
one.
I'm going north, man.
Oh, we got
I'm going home, man. So I live York Mills. North Hills, man. So, yeah, unfortunately.
Well, you're a rebel, we know it.
Yeah,
I saw you with the fuck you don't fight.
Yeah, man, it's all right, man.
That's
Well, Trudeau's
pretty rowdy,
gone now,
people.
man. So who do we go against now? Trudeau's gone.
Bloor young boys.
Young station.
I don't know.
Here.
Are we
Line
for,
two.
who's the next guy that we're against? Here? I don't know.
We're against. Oh, there it is. There's a Bloor station.
I don't know.
Toronto's. This is Bloor Station, Toronto's biggest
All right, man.
station.
Peace out, man.
All right, man. See you later. See you. Thanks. Thanks.
Later.
Toronto Brad continues north.
Guys, stay safe, man.
All right. See you later, Toronto Brad.
Nice guys.
There was just this lady was drinking at the bottom.
You know, yeah.
It's not clear,
I'm gonna have no voice tomorrow, eh?
Line 1, towards Finn.
Switching to line 2 in Toronto's subway station, the biggest. Look how wide this one is. Bloor Street, Bloor and Yonge. This place has connections to line 1 and 2s. If you're doing north, southbound, eastbound, westbound, these you need to come here and check it out.
Line 1.
This train is still hanging out here for a while, not going anywhere soon. Been a pretty cold day in the city. About minus about 5 degrees Celsius, but it feels a lot colder than it's supposed to.
Line 1, towards Finn.
Yeah, this one is. This one is not going anywhere. I wonder what's going on. Maybe there's a delay on this line.
Oh, we're following you, Babbitt.
All right.
You're our seeing eye dog.
Yes, sir. Do you need a elevator? All right. It's very interesting. This place is closed. This is the famous smoking lady that was on my film a while back. She's not smoking anymore. The smoking lady's not. How you doing? Give her a wave. Good job. She quit smoking. I think so. That $2 I think helped her just stop smoking. Oh man, are we gonna fit in that elevator?
Free stuff. Help yourself.
Oh look,
Let's go through it.
that's some homeless person stuff. We all fit in there?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man. Show your freedom spirit. Oh.
Can we fit?
They're coming out. Hold the elevator. Hold the elevator so you can get out. Just some dude eating his dinner. Yo, man, we need the elevator.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sure. Wow. That sounds pretty cool.
You okay? Yeah.
You sound
Sure.
pretty.
No, I'll give you a hand if you need help or something.
That's what it sounds like, sir. You sound like if someone needs help, you'll help them.
That's why I'm holding the door open.
You sound like a cool guy, man.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Cheers.
Appreciate it. You have a good weekend, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Try to be safe out
All
there,
right, take care, man.
Cheers. Thank you.
All right. Okay, I'll take the stairs.
That didn't work. Only because somebody had called it.
Oh
Still,
man.
that's okay. That's his stuff. Yeah, shouldn't leave your stuff lying around, man. Somebody's gonna go through it. I almost did.
You know what? If
Only because I worried, like, if somebody's dead somewhere, there might be ID in there or something. Yeah, we gotta let these people
All right, get in there. All right. See you guys downstairs. See you downstairs.
Okay, we go with me.
Yeah. All right, man. See you later.
cheers.
Cheers. Take care.
Good night.
All right, let's go downstairs and try to catch the. Wow, we got a person over there. We got a person over here. Look, quite a few people here, homelessing in the city. You know what? Because it's very cold out, these people are huddling inside the subway station. Very much like New York City. I like the way Toronto's becoming slowly like New York City. You know what I'm saying? If you can't go to New York City, bring the New York City to you. Oh, there they are. Look. Voila. Voila. Beautiful. Check it out.
Towards Kennedy.
That's eastbound,
Eastbound. This is the eastbound train on line 2 in Toronto. Check out the ceilings. always messed up for some reason. All right, here you go. Nice day. There goes the train. Beautiful. I like this shot. Let's try a shot this way. Check it out. Woohoo! Nice.
Any TTC employee for help. It's not worth your life. Stay off the tracks.
Let's check out the tracks. Nothing worth jumping to get down there. Nothing of value.
Monday through Friday. Subway service.
Thank you.
Portion of Line 1.
Talk about your dog.
Lawrence West.
I'm
give
coming.
her a bath
Excuse me. I'm having a bath with you tonight. What, Scott?
with her.
Sorry.
You can have a bath
oh,
with her.
I'm gonna have a bath with her. Okay.
Yeah, she's
For a
the
second, I
elderly.
thought you wanted
What,
to
would you
take a
rather
bath
do
with
a male
me.
dog? I don't know. I don't want to assume anything.
I don't know. For a second, I thought Scott said, "Hey, you
I
want
don't
to come
want
and
to
have
assume
a?"
you're straight when you're gay.
Oh,
That'd be rude.
that'd be terrible. Not that,
You know what? I go through life assuming everybody's straight.
not that there's anything
Because-
wrong with being straight.
No, because I don't care. That's the whole point. What you do. That's how. Like my parents would be are probably rolling in their grave, and everybody divulges their orientation. Who cares? But you're making people care and react.
I like to
by
be.
being out
I like to be a
next
little
to
bit
you.
diagonal.
We'll get you.
Oh, here comes the train. All right, all right. Everybody heads up.
There we go. Perfect. We'll grab the back so I don't have to worry about the way.
Line 2 towards the plane.
All right, here we go. Jump on the train.
I didn't know we were at Motel 6. But that's okay, as long as you're warm, man. Stay warm, stay safe, guys, okay? What do you think? Oh, let's see if I can call one. We got a long ride.
The next station is Bay Station.
All right, here we are at Bay Station, heading westbound. There we go, Bay Station. Check it out. All right, here we are, Bay Station. Ooh. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next film. That's it for this ride. Coming in and out, we're back to the group. Everybody's having fun.
It would be nice if we did it around.
Beautiful. All right, guys, thanks a lot. We're gonna catch you in the next ride or film.
Freedom. That would be so good. Yeah. We are roasted marshmallows. Yeah.